Patti Allred here. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm glad I'm here because it's nothing like being late for your own live. But you know what? When you work from home, sometimes things change. It doesn't, your day doesn't flow like you thought it was going to. Can I get a witness? Hey, what I want to do is hop on here and just give you 3 quick tips to help you be productive during this time. And we all know this is a crazy time. It's a time that none of us have been through before. So none of us can say we know what to do, we know how to handle it, because this is new to every one of us. Yes. You, me, everybody. Nobody can say it. But thank goodness that there are some tips and secrets that can help us get through this. To help us with everyday life and to help us with our business. So tip number 1, make sure that you are keeping your main business your main business. I have a TV show, and this is what I spoke about on the last episode. And hey, I'd love for you, I'll drop the link to the TV show in here. I'd love for you to check it out. But this is so important. If you are trying to juggle everything and a business, then being focused on what your main business is key. It is key. Make you a list of everything you're doing, business-wise, online, offline, whatever it is, and then narrow down to the main one. Make sure it's something that makes you happy, because if you're not happy, what's the freaking point? Find something that is making you happy, and then put your all in it. Now, you're going to need to do this for several months. Get it going, get it strong, get the foundation there. Then you can pull in some other things, but be focused on that one thing. Your main business should be your main focus. And yeah, you know, those of you that know me know I am the queen of shiny object syndrome and squirrel syndrome. So I'm preaching to myself as well. All right, tip number 2. Are you honestly focusing on what's important and not just what's urgent? Urgent can throw us off and can be detrimental to our life and our business. And what do I mean by that? When something is urgent, it is something that we feel like it's just got to be done right this second, right? Let's take a step back and make sure we've got the important things there even before urgent. Taking care of you, taking care of your loved ones, your family, your health, taking care of your main business. Urgent things like, I don't know, your website's messed up, or you've got a customer that maybe is not happy. You know, your emails are messed up. Something that does seem like you need to hop right on it and do it, but you've got to have the important things in line first, or it's not going to flow. So make sure you're doing the important things. Make sure that you're keeping your main business your main business, and make sure you're doing the important things first, like you, your family, your health, and your wellness. And then plan your week. Take 30 minutes or longer, whatever it takes, one day a week, maybe Fridays. I'm paper, pencil. I am write it down old school, but I also put it in my phone. And I go over all these more in depth on my show. So be sure you check out Positively Patti, and that's Patti with an I, and get more information on this. But plan your week in advance. What this does is it helps you keep your important things important. It helps you keep your main business, your main focus. And when you have meetings coming up, or trainings, or webinars, or postings, or whatever it is that you've got going on, they're not going to be a surprise to you. You're going to be prepared and you're going to be ready for them because you've taken the little bit of time to get it mapped out and you know what's coming and you're prepared. So keep your main business your main business. Focus on what's important and not urgent. And plan for your week. Hey, come on and join me in my group too. And I've got a group of, I don't know, over 6,000 entrepreneurs and mostly women that are doing the same thing you're doing. We are all working together to make this work better for each of us. Now, I'm not sure where you are in your life, and it really doesn't matter if you've got a business that's going great, or you've failed several times, or you are just getting started. You may work a job and want a little extra money a month coming in. Listen, whatever is making you happy and getting you to where you can live life on your own terms is what I want to help you do. I've been doing this for 32 plus years. And so I've done the grunt work. I've done the crappy work already. Let me help you not have to do that. But hey, if I'm not the girl for you, I know people and I can hook you up. Most of all, what I want you to do is to choose happy. But you can find my information on pattiallred.com. It's PattiAllred.com, pattiallred.com. Come join me. You can check out some freebies to help you with a side hustle, help you grow your current business. You can also see my blogs and check out my new TV episodes. Let's see. I think that's all I was going to say today. I just wanted to hop in here and say, hey, it's Patti Allred in North Carolina. And I hope you have an amazing day. And remember, choose happy. Love you. See you later.